right, Buster, it's that time. We got to film our intro, our outro, and our video showing all of our decor. What do you think? Are you ready? We got to go put your necklace on? Okay, we can do that. We can get you dressed up and ready to go. Your bow tie's not enough today, huh? All right, well, let's go get your necklace on and then we'll get started. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Say hey, Buster. So in today's video, we're gonna give you a tour of the indoor and outdoor summer decor. We like to use our red, white, and blues. You can see Mr. Buster sporting his little necklace. So without further ado, let's get to it. So here is the front porch. And I'm gonna bring you in closer and we'll start over here. This is my beautiful fern. Those two little things I got from the Dollar Tree. And I just think they add a little bit. Have my little flags, my American sign, and my little tricycle. My pillows I got from Walmart last year. The red and white center pillow, that one right there, I've had for a while. I actually got that one at Home Goods. But the other ones I got from Walmart. And then I just stick 2 flags in each one of my ferns, and I just think it adds something to it. I just love the way it looks. My rug, I placed it on top of my regular rug that was there because it was just too small by itself, but I love it. And then my wreath, and there you go. This is the front porch, and I will leave it like this for the summertime, not just for the 4th of July, but for the whole summer, because I just absolutely love our flag, and to me that just says summer. I'm gonna take you inside and show you how I've done some of my summer decor inside. So let's go inside. Okay. When you come inside, first thing you'll see by my front door is I have this little plant. I just stuck a flag in, and I just love the way that it just adds a little bit of Americana. And then over here on my coffee table, I have my cute little rooster. I just made him a cute little bow tie, and I just stuck a flag in my little planter there, and I just love the way that looks. And then on my mantle, spin you around, I have my little flag I stuck in there, my America the Beautiful, God bless the USA. And I just made this little banner just this weekend. James cut me some little triangle pieces of wood. I have these little stars, I just painted them blue, striped these, and just stuck it up there, and I just think it's cute the way it turned out. I did not video that, but it's very simple, and I'm gonna do something similar to that for fall. Of course, not in the red, white, and blue, but if that's something you're interested in, just let me know and I will film that for you. Okay, on my bar, I have this little tray. I made these little beads. These little beads were some of the orange beads that I got for like 80% off at Hobby Lobby. I just painted them, distressed them. James cut me out this little star, made a little USA with my silhouette cameo. A couple of those little stars I just painted and stuck up there, and I just love the way it looks. And then I'll show you what's on the back. Okay, coming around to my kitchen, we have some watermelon. What says summertime like watermelon, right? Behind my little tray, I have this cute little pig from the Dollar General. I just wanted it to have something so it wasn't just so blank back there. In this corner, I have another one of those little metal flags from Hobby Lobby. I have on my stove, I have my warm baked apple pie. What's more American than warm apple pie? Little flag I stuck in this little milk jug. And then over here on this side, just have some little flags stuck in this arrangement, and I just love the pops of the color with the American flag. I just love our flag, and I love using it for summertime. And then again, on top of the refrigerator, I just have another one of those American flags just stuck in the little pot. And yeah, that's that. And I just love it. I just love our flag. I love the colors, and it just says summer to me. And like I said, I'll leave this up all year round, but I definitely get it out by the 4th of July. And so next, we're gonna go look at my little back porch area. So when Mr. Buster is not wearing the necklace, I put it over here on my rooster on the dining table just to add a little something. And I like the way it looks. It's cute, it's whimsical. And up here, I have just put the extra little piece I had bought to go in my wreath that I didn't use. I just stuck it up there just to give it a little something, and I like the way that looked. And down here, I had this cute little red rocking chair that was my son's when he was little. He used to sit in it and eat his snacks and watch Barney. How many can remember Barney? I'm gonna try to find a cute little pillow to put in it, but I haven't yet, but that's that. In my haul, all I've done was the little wreath that I did in one of my previous DIYs. I just added a red bow and the cute little bell to it and put it on this window. And I like the touch of red, which matches my house, that little bell. And I think it's really cute. Okay, so here we are, my little back porch area. We'll start with the table first. I moved my red pillows from the front to the back. Up here I have this little red wagon. I have some candle holders that I'm gonna get citronella candles to put in. My petunias that I got from my granny. Okay. Up here, whoop, the wind is blowing my little DIY. There we go. Up here I have my little bicycle that I put some fern in, just stuck some flags in. That's the little DIY I made. Here's my flag I put on the back door. Scroll down to my little rug. And I know this isn't very like red, white, and blue, but I do use my watering can a lot. So I just set it out here. And my little flowers. And this is our little back porch area. I just tied some ribbon to the top of my flag. I really like the way that looks. I think my flag turned out really good. Really proud of it. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do. And until next time, bye y'all. Tell them bye. Say bye.